My name is Meher and my son Aman has been with Growing Stars for 5 years. We started when my son was in 5th grade. Right now he is in 9th grade. So I can tell you things do work from elementary school, middle school as well as even high school. In order for the classes to be effective, make sure that your kid communicates with the teacher on the topic and the chapter that he is in, so that the classes are going to be really effective. So we have tried Growing Stars for science, math and even English, and all the teachers have been pretty knowledgeable and they are flexible on the scheduling. If you reschedule a class within 24 hours, generally it's going to work, but if you give a rescheduling ahead of 48 hours, it is going to be guaranteed to work. Thank you, and hopefully you will also enroll your kid in Growing Stars.